Alright, with Daddy Foodie. We continue up at Miss Ellie. Some stuffed fried dumplings. I'm going to sample the pulled pork. They said that let me have to go with the special sauce. So she put the sauce. This is barbecue.
Yes.
It's the barbecue. Me no more around one Johnny cake, and this will look quite interesting. Okay, the flavors. With Daddy Foodie, we come from yam and magnam now. So let's see.
What have you tried the dumplings? We have dumplings first. So we have the fried dumplings. We have jumbo dumplings.
Okay, for real? That's nice. Fried dumpling cooked perfectly.
We have 7 different fillings
Uh-huh.
today.
That's pretty good. And the fried dumpling well cooked and everything. There's another white glass section where they have pulled pork fill and the pull apart shit right there.
Coconut fill. And we have a pepper.
There you go. Really?
And of course,
Mango, Mr. Mango.
you're going to give Miss Ali an ice cream.
Of course, we're going to give the next one. Put you up in the flat. First time you do it, I have a location, I just do
We
it.
do not yet have a location, so we depend on these pop-up events. And also we go to different supermarkets, but one of our big things is convenience, right? So we try to get it into the supermarket, so when you're doing your weekly run, you can just pick up a pack or 2 or 3 and store it in your freezer. So when you come home late from work and you're tired, you need something to eat, you picked up a salad at KFC, or you picked up a coleslaw at KFC, you put 2 Miss Ellie fried dumplings with that, and you have a perfectly balanced meal ready to go in a couple minutes.
It's really nice.
Alright,
Thanks a lot.
great. Thank you for passing by.
No problem, man.
Appreciate the exposure, the opportunity.
I never even heard about it before until now I came today with Miss Ellie. Miss Ellie. Oh, Miss Ellie. So, Daddy Foodie and Miss what? Oh, okay.
Let me give you a card so you can always, if you have any issues, you can contact us.
Oh, okay. I see how the Facebook link and so on. Okay. We just at Miss Ellie. Stuffed dumplings and pull aparts. You can need to come check out where she has the All Saints
#1
marketplace right now. But thanks for that, Miss Ellie. Alright.
Thank you.
Daddy Foodie, we don't forget our stuff and you can get yourself a drink. No. So just cut, no longer film everybody but we try. So we are at snow cones and treats. Rose test cones. Oh, okay. Got snow cones, hot dog, wings and fries, and wild class. Leave there, gave me a kidney pin all over.
Hot pepper sauce.
Hot pepper sauce, you know, too.
Everything.
Right now, man. If you stuff it depends, some of just go for this on regular snow cone. So what kind of flavors you got?
We have pineapple, lemon lime, orange, cherry, and coconut.
Okay, we'll make face soap on extra special. Everybody is snow cone now.
Full of flavor.
Full of flavor?
Flavorful.
I guarantee no real flavor.
Guarantee real flavorful. Natural, taste as natural as you can.
Which one is this? This one?
This is just a simple syrup that's
Oh, the simple syrup. Okay.
Yeah.
Pineapple, lemon. So what your favorite is?
My favorite flavor is the lemon lime, all the way.
Right? Okay, I'll be sure. Okay, let me just get one the lemon lime then.
5 or 7.
I'm gonna try the 5, up on the budget.
Alright, no problem.
Ashley would like one too, please.
You want one?
Yes, sir.
5?
Yeah,
Yes,
the 5,
sir.
yeah.
We're about to watch the process of magic happen.
$8 for the hot dog.
Oh, sure. Oh, okay.
Yeah, we press our ice fresh all the time.
Uh-huh.
So you don't get nothing watery and running there.
Nice, bro. Got simple syrup. Okay.
Oh, no, she puts more on top. Okay. That's smart, that's smart.
Okay.
What flavor color is your favorite color now?
Me like blue free favorite color.
Alright, no worries, set you up with a nice blue straw.
Oh, nice.
Alright.
Right, we got the foodie. You got it? Nice, man.
Yeah.
Okay, like a real lemon soda, but without the fizz in it. But it tastes
Without the fizz.
Yeah, very good for real.
Real good.
And imagine if you didn't add some pineapple to it.
Ah, lemon man good enough. Anyway, mix me use all on it, but it tastes nice for real.
Flavor for you. Same thing?
Sure. Oh, you mix. Oh, you mix. Oh,
And the flavors.
oh, you want the cherry? Okay.
Cherry
Oh,
and the lemon.
try the pineapple, try the pineapple.
Mm.
What's your favorite color?
Purple.
Don't walk. So what's that? Location, I guess.
No, we only care for commitments.
Oh,
So if you want us, you have to call 773-5198.
Roaster Squencher.
you still square. Okay.
We have great deals for birthday parties. We don't stop at that. We do full catering.
Woo.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
That's good.
Since I want food, so I put food. Nah, that. So really
So
good.
years of research to find the perfect syrup, right?
Yeah.
Years of research to find the perfect syrup.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
No, like some back. This one goes through. This one line.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's a refreshing. That's what I need.
Yeah, this it's gonna be a refreshing food. Rose onto something. You was onto something.
Yeah.
The daddy food is full side of a Cuba. Thanks, Rose. All right.
All right.
All right.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Okay.